everyone. Today is Sunday, August 26th. It is 11:32, I almost said 22, in the morning. And like I said, today is Sunday. And I've been up for close to an hour and just been doing some editing. I actually did not vlog yesterday, so this vlog today will be going up today, and well, I'll decide, but I didn't vlog yesterday just because I was doing so much. I went to work, I then had to run over to the store to get some things, to get some groceries for the house, and then I ended up having the company over that took me to the store for like extra 2 hours or something, so I just really wanted to rest. I had a lot going on yesterday, and I have a lot actually going on this week. Ignore this lovely pimple. I have quite a bit going on this week. Tomorrow I want to work out. I was going to do it today, but today I really want to get a head start on folding that laundry and getting it put away. And then tomorrow I'll work out. Tuesday go to work. Wednesday I'm looking into making plans with a friend to hang out. We haven't hung out pretty much all summer. She's been super busy. So have I. So we're going to make plans to like go to the mall or go to the movies or something. I don't know. But we're going to do that. And then Thursday and Friday, I'll let you know. The week hasn't even like fully started yet. It's only Sunday. Technically the week has started because if you guys didn't know, the first day of the week is Sunday. But the first day of the school week for a lot of people is Monday. But no, I haven't even eaten yet, and to be honest, I might just have leftover Chinese because it's going for noon at this point. And sorry, I keep showing one eye, but I like that. But yeah, that is the plan for now, so alright guys, so the time is now 6:03 and I am going to start cooking something for dinner, start making something. I'm gonna make what I originally was supposed to have last night, which was ham and eggs I was gonna make. My mom put a piece of ham steak in the fridge, so I'm gonna cook that. I'll put some eggs and toast. That sounds really good, but what I'm gonna do is a really yummy twist with eggs and ham. I'm going to mix the ham and eggs together with obviously sliced toast because that just sounds really good. If you guys want the recipe, it's something so easy. All you need is the desired amount of eggs, ham obviously, whether it's sliced ham, like deli ham, or ham steak. And then you just mix up your eggs, but put the ham inside, mix it up, and cook it all together. I've seen a lot of people do it. So, yeah, it's something so simple. Look at these look at this. Look at this, you guys. Oh. It's a hairdo. Good thing I'm taking a shower tomorrow. you have it. Ham and eggs mixed together with some toast. Delicious. Okay guys, so sorry for the lack of filming, but yesterday's footage will be going with this footage because yesterday's footage that I got wasn't long enough to be considered a vlog, so I'm going to combine the two. But the time now is 2:20, and I got off the treadmill close to an hour ago. Yeah, an hour ago. And I'm going to get ready to take a shower, and then after that I'm going to do the dishes, because I ran those while I was on the treadmill, so they're done. They're just kind of like cooling down. But first I'm going to go get the mail and then get ready to take a shower. Yeah. But I did almost 2 miles on the treadmill and 235 calories, so that was pretty good for an hour and a half use of the treadmill. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do now. And and then I will see you guys after this mess is taken care of. I need to wash my hair and my face desperately. It's now 3:40 p.m. and I just got done with the dishes. Had to take a break there for a minute and just kind of. But yeah, I just got done with the dishes. The only thing to say really here is this is the problem with vlogging. I'll explain it. This is the problem here, how I get into a gap. And like don't know what to say, and then I want to turn the camera off and it's like, but I still want to keep vlogging. Like I still want to keep the camera on, but you know, I'm just gonna probably work on some editing stuff. I promise that this vlog will go up today, so actually, well, I'm actually going to save this vlog for tomorrow. That's how I'm going to do this. So this week's going to be a little odd. I know I pretty much say that a lot, but I am going to put this vlog up tomorrow because I was going to put yesterday's footage up yesterday, or today rather, but it only turned out to be like 8 minutes long, and I was like, no, that's not enough for a vlog. So, but that's how that's gonna go, and yeah. fun. A treadmill can sure wear you out. The silence says it all.